Hello, very good evening to you. One or two cloud breaks across the British Isles at the moment, but there's a lot of cloud out in the Atlantic, tied in with some very active fronts, and wouldn't you just know it, they are coming our way, to the extent that we will see significant amounts of rain across the northern parts of Wales and northwestern England through tonight and tomorrow. Much more rain than we've seen over the past few days. Much of the cloud across the British Isles today was really quite thin and high. The low-level stuff that affected the western-facing coast and hills is lurking underneath this. The cloud thickened all the while across the western side of Ireland, though, and now we see the first signs of that rain beginning to work its way towards us. It's all tied in with those fronts, which will continue to work their way towards the east as we move on through tonight, pulling a band of rain across this central swathe of the British Isles come the end of the night, but at least it's going to be mild just about everywhere. Tomorrow, the very wettest of the weather will be found from the southwest of Scotland through the Isle of Man, northwestern England, across the northern half of Wales. Still very muggy indeed around about these western coastal fringes. The best of any brightness towards the eastern side of Scotland and eastern England, and that's going to be the way of it through the afternoon as well, and we'll still keep a fair amount of rain around about the Irish Sea coastal fringes. Where the sun does pop out, I think you'll find the temperatures could climb to 24 or 25, but in those gloopier conditions, around about 16 or 17 degrees. Then as we move on through Bank Holiday Monday, the remnants of that rain fizzling away across the Midlands, gradually sinking a little bit further south. A lot of dry and fine weather elsewhere, and I think that's going to be the way of it for the first half of